Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect your AULA F75 with Bluetooth, so let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your AULA F75 keyboard is properly charged. Since it runs on Bluetooth, it won't receive power unless it's charged or connected with a cable. It's always better to start with enough battery to avoid connection issues. Now look at the top side of your keyboard. You'll see a small switch that lets you choose between 2.4G, off, and Bluetooth mode. Move that switch all the way to the left to enable Bluetooth. For a smoother setup process, make sure the USB receiver is not plugged in and the Type-C cable is also disconnected. The keyboard may still work if they're connected, but removing them helps avoid conflicts during pairing. Once Bluetooth mode is turned on from the keyboard, grab the device you want to connect it to, whether it's a PC, laptop, or tablet. Open your device's settings and go to the Bluetooth section. Turn Bluetooth on if it isn't already. Next, choose the option to add or pair a new device. Select the Bluetooth category when prompted. After a few seconds, you should see your keyboard listed as AULA F75 in the available devices. Click on it to start pairing, wait a moment for the connection to complete, and once it's connected, your keyboard will be ready to use wirelessly. If it doesn't appear right away, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both the keyboard and your device and try again. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.